Hello everyone, welcome to Sikkhon, and welcome to another tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to create plain and creative 3D text tracking in After Effects. Let's get started. First things first, choose the footage where you want to track the text, and simply drag the footage in the After Effects project timeline. Then, analyze the footage. Find the perfect 3D tracking point where you can place the text and track, which is more important. Now, from the Effects and Presets tab, search 3D Camera Tracker and drag the effect into the footage. It will start searching for several 3D tracking points. Make sure you click and enable Detailed Analysis from Advanced Options in Effect Control tab. It will take some time to finding the tracking points from the footage. Now, finding 3D camera tracking points is done. You can see a lot of camera tracking points in the footage. If you move the mouse cursor, you'll find the tracking points for text placements. For better view, you can increase the track point size and target size from Effect Control tab. Now, among all the tracking points, you can choose any tracking point according to your need. Here, for example, I want to track text with the building. That's why I choose the tracking point, which is aligned with the building. Now you will click the tracking point and select the Create Text in Camera by left-clicking of your mouse. Then, a text format will open. You can add any text according to your need. And add color, strokes, and other attributes to the text. You can play the footage. You'll see the text is automatically tracked with the building or your subject. Now, from the text property, you can modify the text according to the subject. You can change the scale, orientation, position, rotation, opacity, etc. You can experiment anything here with your text. The text will be tracked with the building or the subject, so change the text attributes according to that. That's how you can track any text in 3D tracking option in After Effects easily. For more tutorials, please like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Let us know in the comments what kind of tutorials you'd like to see next. Visit Sikkhon.com for a wide range of free and premium courses. Thank you for watching.